In today's class, we will be learning the topic, common weeds found in farms. A weed is any plant that grows in a place where it is not expected to grow, wanted. Benefits of weeds to farmers. Weeds helps in checking soil erosion. Some weeds are useful as food for humans. Some weeds serve as food for animals. They can be used as green manure. Some are used for making roots, mats and baskets. General control of weeds. Mechanical control involves the use of machines such as bulldozer, tree puller, plow etc. to get rid of unwanted plants. Physical or manual control. This can be done in different ways, which includes hand pulling, hoeing, slashing with cutlass etc. Biological control. This involves the introduction of some insects and herbivorous animals to farmland to eat up the leaves of the weed and even the entire plant in some cases. Cultural control. This involves the use of a farming system to get rid of weed. It can be achieved by practice of crop rotation and the growing of cover crops to suppress the growth of the weeds on the farm. Chemical control. This involves the use of chemical solution called herbicides to control weeds. Some herbicides are selective while some are non-selective or contact herbicide. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.